Hello, this is Christy Kennedy Life. We'll be discussing how to use Bouncy blush. Everyone loves the nice natural flush of color on their cheekbones. Bouncy blush is a hybrid between a powder and a gel. So the two combined formulas create this bouncy-like texture. Easy to be applied, it's lightweight and buildable. This formula was created for you to use your fingers. So step one is to use your base two fingers and apply it across the product, getting just enough on your fingertips. The next step will be to apply the blush to the cheekbone area. Light strokes, feathery strokes upward towards the temple in circular motions. And then lastly, if that's not the color intensity you desire, you want to continue to add color until you get the result you're looking for. This is a wonderful makeup product to use, and it's the perfect item for women on the go.